Hey guys, Gemma Green here. Today I am playing as Robin Pickle because I tried out this thing with my member account. It says when you say Stripes Club, you get an instant ban for just one day. But I still need to make a video today for a very, very, very good reason. It is one of my best buddies and also friend in real life's birthday, and her name is Minnie Awesome, and she is having her 11th birthday today. And I just wanted her to have her own video for herself. So, if you could please gift her something, or maybe just send her a birthday card. And I am just gonna be giving her a little happy birthday video. So, let's start. Happy birthday, dear Minnie. Happy birthday to you.
And may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Oh,
Birthday.
oh, this is your birthday song. Oh,
Celebration all night long.
oh, may all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe.